up, people? This is Kevin, my wife's Tori, and we currently live in Yamaguchi, Japan. We've been traveling for 4 years from everywhere between the States, Europe, and now here in Japan. With travel opening up, I said, why not, and busted out my ancient GoPro Hero 4 and brought it along on a 48-hour trip to Kyoto. Hey! Come on, buddy. Yep, that's them. What's up, dude? Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi there.
Hello, young man.
Oh, there. Yeah, well, somebody saw his leash. Needed to go for a walk, so that's what we're doing. Huh? Well, you look happy. Huh? Who are you? I'm just saying.
What's your story?
What's your story? 11.
Holy shit, these guys are volleyball?
Friday, March 5th. We're on the train, Kyoto. New episode of WandaVision's out. Mitch is watching it. Haven't seen it. Corey's playing solitaire. We made it! Kyoto Station.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boyle like killed a guy.
I killed a man. Get off the video.
Are we going the right way? Well, let's see. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. We're like 25% lost. Like there's a chance we might not be soon, but I think we don't know where we are. Orientation is off. That's the fun part, right? We didn't die. Made it to our Airbnb here. Look at that. Some good little Kyoto sites. We got the Tommy room. How cool, how cool.
Oh, there's no toilet upstairs.
There's like 2 down here.
Yeah, you have to go downstairs in the middle of the night. We're in the first room, the purple one. They each have their own room too.
Oh yeah? The kids get their own room? Holy cow.
Hey, it's an emergency. I'm
Oh
using
my
a
goodness.
flashlight. You got any drugs in here?
The beds.
Looks awfully a lot like cocaine.
Yeah, this looks an awful lot like crystal meth. Explain the crystal meth. I have the red room. Trevor has the other room.
There's a lot of rooms.
Yeah, a lot of room.
Gonna cut that one out.
So,
Room number 3. Alright, so we're wandering down some street in Kyoto. I don't know where we are. We've been looking for food for like 2 hours and we can't find food. Every bar or, restaurant we've been to has been closed.
We're going to Mickey D's. Just cut to the chase. We're going to Mickey D's.
We're probably going to end up going to Mickey D's, which is a pretty typical go-to in Japan.
have it your way.
That's Burger King. I'm betting the go-tos, you know.
I'm betting that I'll have 2 more drinks.
Convenience store,
My mask
McDonald's.
smells like cigarettes.
McDonald's.
Kevin Talley's going to try some Black Label for the first time.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
Well, McDonald's won. This is where we were meant to go. Never gonna be anything else. Went multiple places in Kyoto.
Tried.
We think there might be some sort of like COVID things, restrictions maybe we're unaware of. Nonetheless, McDonald's always triumphs. I guess some things never change. Big Mac coming our way. So where are we?
That's like the picture. Oh yeah, it splits off just like that
We
way.
don't need to go all the way to the top, do we?
No, that takes a while. I've never been to the top. I'm filming you taking a picture. What an asshole. Hey look, that English is backwards. I'm just waiting for you to hit a board. Looks like I'm in the tunnel.
What is it? Beer before liquor?
Beer before liquor, you're in the clear.
That's not how that goes.
Like that doesn't sound.
Doesn't even rhyme.
Beer before liquor, it's a smear.
Liquor before
No.
beer, you're in the clear.
Liquor before beer,
It's
you're in the
supposed to
clear.
beer, it has, like,
Beer before
carbonation.
liquor, never been sicker.
So you see on?
I don't know what I'm
Logo.
reading.
So, definitely got to say, I was really excited when we first found this restaurant because the name La Jolla is actually one of my favorite beach areas of San Diego, California, where we lived before we came to Japan. The food was super authentic, was the first thing we had in Japan, similar to the Baja surf and turf style of California. So, if in Kyoto and you're from California or the States and you're looking for that kind of food, you definitely should stop here.
Dance the line all day long.
To Skype his girlfriend. So, Gastromecon Chuleta. This was one of the restaurants we actually tried to hit up night one, but was closed. It was in the Gion Street area near the big theater. To be honest, they sat us at the front by the bar, and we could see directly into the kitchen area. We actually watched them prepare our food for about an hour, and to be honest, it really did not disappoint. Presentation was fantastic, portions were small but great, and you could tell that they took their time preparing the best meal we had probably in all of Kyoto. Current predicament, trying to catch this Pichu. Super close. We've already spent more money than we're willing to admit. Which won a Mario Koi. Wish us luck. right outside the bamboo forest, there's a really nice cafe called the Rickshaw Cafe. You know, easy breakfast joint, nice stop in the morning. If you're going to the bamboo forest, I would definitely recommend stopping in here. Presentation's great, food's great. Absolutely recommend. So for all my Pokemon nerds, if you remember Johto, Pokemon Gold and Silver, there was the Bell Tower, which is actually based on this tower, the 700-year-old Kinkaku-ji Temple, also the same that the Chinese Phoenix and Ho-Oh are based on. The actual temple in real life burned to the ground in 1950, so that's what the inspiration was for the Johto burn tower. Our last stop for the weekend was the Sando Tower, just right across from Kyoto train station. There's an observation deck, which was great, plus the basement area had a really cool modern food court, and again, the food was great. All in all, this is my first video I put together in the past 4 years that I've been traveling. I have tons of GoPro footage on this really old GoPro Hero 4, so I decided when this is all said and done to go ahead and upgrade to a new camera stuff. So this is really just for me to figure things out and to capture stuff while we're here in Japan. Not big expectations, but I'm going to keep making videos. So thank you for watching and have a good one.